Auto Ricambi often gets asked how to remove the distributor gear to replace the oil seal. Here's what we need to remove the distributor gear: a vise, a punch, a small torque socket, and an angled piece of metal. Use the torque socket to push the pin out, while the angled piece holds the distributor straight in the vise. Once it's out halfway, use the punch to hammer it out the rest of the way. With the pin out, we can pry the gear off with a flat blade screwdriver. Once it's slid off a little bit, we can use 2 wrenches to pry it off the rest of the way. To put it back, use the punch to push the pin back in place.